What is happening, everybody? We're back with another project update, and this time, if you take a 2-second gander around me, you'll see that we are, in fact, in Eric's shop. We are engaged with our 2004 Duramax, and we are making pretty good progress. It may not look like it, but yesterday was huge. Eric and I were out here for about five and a half hours, and we got a lot done. So here's what we're looking at. We got the entire engine management harness pulled away from this thing, which is super involved. If any of you have ever worked on one of these engines, you know they route wires and plugs and sensors and wires for those sensors in and around and through everything. We got the accessory brackets pulled out of the way for the alternator, the AC compressor, power steering pump. You can see it right over there. We still got to get the charge pipe off, the mouthpiece for the turbo, the Y bridge, the turbo itself, the down pipes, the up pipes. Like, there's still a bunch involved, but we're getting there. We're chipping away at it. We got a bunch of parts back here on the toolbox of the truck. Don't let this intimidate you. These are just the 750 things you have to remove to get to where we are. And when I say the engine management harness is kind of intense, it may not look very intimidating, but I'm telling you, GM and Isuzu, they got together over breakfast and they said, how can we make this impossible, if not unfathomable, for people to imagine how we routed this? And that's exactly what they did. But we persevered. A lot of people have. I'm sure you can find a bunch of articles on YouTube about guys who've taken Duramax engines apart and everything that's involved. We're nobody special, but we're getting there. What else have we got? Oh, the bracket car 440, the motorhome engine. It's back at the machine shop. I still need to learn to read, and I'll go into more detail on that later when we get it back. Fill you guys completely, and I promise I won't leave you hanging. Nephew's Ram Charger. It's kind of been on a bit of a hiatus. He's been doing soccer stuff with his little ones, which is super awesome. They're having a great time. I'm really happy for him. Whenever they get a break in their schedule, we'll get re-engaged on that thing, get back to action, get that thing wrapped up, and show you guys all about it. It should run awesome. Otherwise, we're just out here turning wrenches and making things happen, man. So wherever y'all are working on out there, hope things are going well. If they are, tell us about it. If they're not, tell us about that too. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, really hope you will. And if you have, thank you so much for doing so. We'll catch you guys soon.